You know what every freaking FROSTBITE needs? That's right, boost. Well, guess what? Our 5th giveaway is live, and that's exactly what we're giving you. 10 days only, guys, so you gotta act fast. thefoxcast.com/shop. Grab anything in the store. Every $5 spent gets you 1 entry to win that epic Vortech Supercharger. We got new flag designs to hang up in your shop, new hats, new keychains, new hoodies, those epic Oakley backpacks, all kinds of goodness in the shop, even new 5.0 keychains in different colors. So this is what you got to do, thefoxcast.com/shop. Like I said, every $5 spent in the store gets you 1 entry to win that epic Vortech Supercharger. Stop by the store now. It's only 10 days. Do not miss out. Grab something now and you're in. All right, guys, I promised you I was coming back to check on Dave's progress. And I'm gonna tell you, he's got a lot of progress. This thing's gonna be crazy. But the other reason I had to come out here is because he promised me it was gonna be done in 2024. So we're gonna see if he's gonna be done. I think he will be. Anyway, let's check this thing out. Ooh, David, I'm gonna tell you, man, it's looking better. I guess the big story is under the hood. Yep. That's where most of the progress is. Guys, if you did not catch the last video, there wasn't much going on other than the engine was in it. But you've been busy. Yep. And your son's been kind of staying on you, keeping you. We've been trying to stay motivated, so we're getting there. All right. Are you gonna show us under the hood of this thing or what, dude? I mean, oh, actually, hold on. Before you do that, do you think that's enough of a enough of an idea of what this thing's about to be? Let me stick my fist in there. We still have some beauty rings and heat shields to go around that hole, but yeah, that's gonna be crazy. You'll never get a street race, I'll tell you that. All right, let's see what's under this thing. Holy moly! So the last time we were here, it was just kind of sitting there. He was still getting things figured out, but man, I'm telling you what. So I said last time that this was a Gen 2 Precision. It actually is it's their newest 2nd generation. It's not the older Gen 2. So it's capable of a couple hundred more horse than just your average 88. Yeah. Plenty. After I saw the video, I was like, that's not even what turbo it is. So you don't even know what you got, man. Well, you know. It doesn't matter. This thing's gonna be ridiculous. Dude, yeah, it's, so did you pie cut and make all this yourself, or? Yeah, I basically tacked it all together, and one of my friends, he's a welder by trade, I took it all to him and he worked his magic. I hated putting the wrap on it because it hides the welds. I mean, you got to though. I didn't want to melt the paint off the fenders either. Right. Which I probably still will. Because the paint is gorgeous. But yeah, dude, you got all the cold side. Is this a 2,000 horse Plasman? That's a 2,500. 2,500. Okay, so we're going all the way. But I mean that's a billet intercooler. Yeah, I mean, and just like all the little details and stuff you're doing. I think within this next week I'm gonna start on the fuel system. Yeah. And start getting the brakes and everything going. So you're just building your own, or are you just buying a 4? Or? I'm building my own. Building your own, yeah. I don't blame you. I had a custom radiator done by 4 Seasons. I just got it back. They got a very nice brushless fan put on it. Kind of curious to see how that works out for me. I'm sure it'll be fine, but. Great. And that honestly looks like the radiator they run in Coyote stock, because they run the intake right down to the front. Yeah. I think it's a Honda Civic radiator or something they run in Coyote stock, so I mean, similar. Well, this one I just kind of took a measurement and told them what I had to work with, and And there it is.
Where I needed my lines to go in at, and that's what he came up with. So it's actually bigger than a factory radiator, so I think it'll probably cool it even better.
Oh yeah. It's 3-row.
I don't know if it's 3
Should
or 4.
be. I mean, it's thick. So I love the motion breathers. Freaking sweet. And for some reason, and I guess I talked about it in the other video, the flat firewall. For some reason, I didn't remember that. I guess I'm getting old.
Well, the reason why I went flat and took out the pinch weld, because I had this car as a 32 valve turbo car before, and I had an air to water inside the car, and the pipe went through the firewall.
Okay, gotcha.
So we had to fill a hole, and the best way to do it was just make it all smooth.
It looks amazing.
Thank you.
Looks really nice. But you've also got some wheel jewelry too.
Yeah.
Now you had the other ones on the front last time.
I had the 17 RC wheels, and I decided to put them on my other car.
Yeah.
And I haven't seen anybody that runs the RC retros.
Oh, okay.
So I figured I would do something a little different. Those are 18s in the front.
Wow.
I'm just waiting on tires. I ordered the wrong size, so.
Yeah, those are gonna be crazy. But the biggest deal is in the back.
Yeah.
And I got to tell you, you've pretty much made up what's going on the back of my car, because these bead locks, or I can just order the rings. I don't know, but I love the way those look.
Those are called the bead locks from RC.
Let me turn the light on.
Ever since I saw them, I was like, man, those things look killer. I got to have those. So I just pulled the trigger, and I think they kind of look pretty sinister.
Yeah.
Like shark's teeth going around it.
Dude, rolling with these, oh my God.
And those wheels are, I had my fingers crossed when I did the measurement. Those are a 15 by 14 wheel.
Damn.
With a 325 50.
Yeah. That's a lot of meats.
And it fits.
Let me get back a little bit. Yeah. Dude, I'm telling you, rolling, that is going to be ridiculous. We got to get just an idea of how much meat we're talking right here. Yeah, man. So in a couple more weeks, she'll be on the ground. We can pull it so you can get a look at the suspension. Golly. Yeah, you went all out on this one. All right, so the goal is we get to come back soon and see her on all fours. So Maverick has promised me he's gonna stay on his dad. Are you gonna stay on your dad? Mm-hmm. Tell him every time he's just relaxing watching TV, he's gotta come out and get on the car, okay? Unless he's watching a Foxcast Media video, then leave him alone.
We watch a lot of those.
But yeah, I'm just, man, I'm telling you, when this thing is on all fours, it's gonna be ridiculous. Cannot wait. And we'll be back for the full reveal. And
sounds like a plan.
And dyno shootout champion right here for next year.
I'm gonna definitely sign up for that one.
Yeah.
Come to Foxcast or come to
Ford Takeover.
You can see me blow this thing up.
No, don't. We don't need any bad luck at Ford Takeover for sure. Especially this thing. But yeah, man, Dave, I freaking love it. Great inspiration. All kinds of good ideas. Lots of hard work. $1 or $2.
I appreciate the channel. Kind of, I tune in every day, seeing what's going on, and keeps me motivated seeing all these other guys out there working on cars. So y'all keep up the good work doing that too.
That's the thing. We do that for each other. You get something done, that motivates me, and vice versa, and then eventually they're done. Yes, but I cannot wait, guys. You need to stay tuned to the channel, because this thing is going to be, I mean, I don't need to say any more than that. All right, boys, that is pretty much going to wrap it up. Like I said, stay tuned here to the channel. This car is going to be insane, and the wonderful thing about Dave, as you know from seeing the videos of his SN95, he's not afraid to send it. So it's going to be fun showing that thing off. So guys, I hope you did enjoy that. If you did, please drop me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next one.